Carbon monoxide, commonly called CO, is a gas that's completely colorless, odorless, and tasteless. CO can be produced by fuel-burning home appliances like gas stoves, water heaters, furnaces, fireplaces, and even your car. CO is a dangerous, potentially deadly gas. Symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and confusion can be warning signs of CO exposure, and higher levels can lead to fatal CO poisoning. Let's cover how to detect it so you can stay safe. When it comes to CO alarms, they fall into two main categories: plug-in and battery-powered. Plug-in CO alarms are perfect for ensuring coverage throughout your home. They plug right into your outlet with no installation required, and most include some sort of backup battery to keep it working when the power goes out. Battery-powered CO alarms can be easily placed on walls or countertops for extra coverage, and are really convenient in case of a power outage. They are also great to take with you when you're traveling. It's especially important because not all states require hotels or vacation rentals to have them. How many CO alarms you need depends on how big your home is and where your CO hazards might be located. Think of it like Wi-Fi. Coverage matters. More square footage, more alarms. One CO alarm is needed on every floor and outside of all sleeping, laundry, and kitchen areas. I recommend putting one in every bedroom too, so you can rest easy. If you have a smaller home or an apartment, the same rules apply, which means with a home like this, you'd need them here. A larger home will need more coverage, including one installed near attached garages and in your basement if you have one. It's important to have a CO alarm at least 5 feet from potential sources of CO, such as a fuel-burning furnace, water heater, or fireplace. Start by checking your CO alarms for the manufacture date. You'll want to turn your CO alarm over and look for something like this. If the date is more than 5 years old, it's a good idea to replace them soon, since CO alarm technology is constantly improving. They should be replaced every 5 to 7 years, or ideally even sooner, to get the latest updates, such as the ability to detect lower levels of CO. CO alarms are critical for your safety. They help protect the people and pets you live with and love, and even your neighbors next door. It's a small thing that makes a big difference.